Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up UX for checkout shipping with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up an effective UX for the checkout shipping process with Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section at the bottom left corner of the page. Click on Shipping and Delivery to access your shipping settings. Next, under the shipping section, locate the option for Manage Rates. Here, you can edit or add shipping zones based on your target markets. If you want to set specific rates, click on the shipping zone you wish to update. Add a shipping rate by selecting the Add Rate button. Input a name for your shipping rate, such as standard shipping or express shipping. Specify the price for this rate and any conditions if applicable. After configuring your rates, ensure that the shipping methods are clear and concise. Now, return to the main settings page and select Checkout. In the checkout settings, ensure you gather necessary information from customers without overwhelming them. Decide whether to require the customer's address to complete the purchase. Consider enabling the option to allow customers to create accounts to streamline future checkouts. Next, enable the option for customers to save their address information for quicker checkouts in the future. Make sure to review your customer's order summary during the checkout to ensure clarity. Highlight shipping options during the checkout process, making it easy for customers to see their choices. If applicable, add any promotional codes or discounts right on the checkout page for easy access. Preview your checkout to see how it appears to customers, ensuring a seamless experience. Test the checkout process by placing a test order with different shipping options. Pay close attention to the user flow and make adjustments where necessary. Finally, once satisfied with the setup, save all changes to ensure they are live for your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.